Alright guys, it's that time of year. Yes, it's our first trip out with our fifth wheel. I'll be covering what we pack for the first time out this season, as well as a camping list and the app I use to keep everything organized, and also our meal plan for the next 3 or 4 days. Let's start with what I have packed for our 3-night out in the spring air because it's kind of cold today. We'll start with the bedroom. So under the bed, I put extra storage for our pop and our e-bike batteries and extra towels. In our master bedroom closet, I bought this new laundry basket, and you can just pinch together the handles to take to the laundromat or back in the house when you're done. Of course, I have to pack rain boots and winter boots and hats and toques and my warm coats. My clothes I just hang up in there. My husband hasn't loaded his yet. And of course, everybody has a bar fridge in their bedroom. So this is actually where our washing machine is supposed to be going, but we don't have one, so we just put our pop and our beer and a little bit of Prosecco for mimosas for our first trip out. Now, I do have a video on custom RV organization. So the cabinet right here, the long cabinet my husband made, I will link that in the video. The coat rack my husband made. Of course, you have to have some winter coats for this time of year. Our bathroom isn't really that interesting. I just put all our stuff in there, extra towel, and of course all your meds, toothbrush, stuff like that. Now in the kitchen and living area, my shoe rack that my husband made. Now I keep my coffee maker and my water filter on the counter, and I stick it down with this Quakehold. It's amazing and nothing moves when you're driving. Now all my cups and plates and pots and pans stay in the trailer year round. I did buy some more for this year. We have a liquor in our liquor cabinet, and our wine rack is full. Priorities, guys. It's the first time out. Bread is in the microwave where it should be, and we figured out this pool noodle. We actually use to stick in the center of our microwave so our glass turntable doesn't go flying and break the microwave door when we're traveling. Now we're only going for like 3 or 4 days, so we don't need much food. There's some cupcakes in that box because it's my husband's birthday as well as Easter. Now again, we don't need much food for this weekend. It's my little pantry. Now this is our living room storage. So my husband just built some pull-out drawers for these cabinets. So I put my juices in there. Snacks up there. And there's some extra storage above our couch that we put extra napkins, plates, cups, tin pans. We always use tin pans, and a cooler if we go to the beach. And we always use an ice maker wherever we go. So it's secured in already, and I use collapsible boxes for loading the trailer. For this weekend, we're going to make simple meals just because it's our first time out. So for breakfast, we're going to have bacon and eggs, bagels, fruit, and probably a Caesar. For lunch, we're going to have just sandwiches and just a meat and cheese board. And for suppers, we're going to have steak, chicken Caesar salad, pizza, and hamburgers. We usually do hamburgers our first night because we're setting up and we just don't want to cook a big meal. Now I use an app called AnyList, and you can have several different lists on your app, and I just put mine in categories. So I just have like the random things. I'll just scroll through it for you. I tend to stock my trailer like I stock my house, with the minimal things. And I use this every time I fill up my trailer for the weekend or for a vacation, just so I don't forget anything. And I put outdoor stuff and indoor stuff on my list, so I can make sure my husband remembers too. And that's it. Now, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Just comment below. And if you're camping this Easter weekend, have an amazing time, and hopefully the weather is good for you. I will see you in the next video.